Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Ria Money Transfer. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you need to launch any of your browser that you are currently using in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type riamoneytransfer.com. Once you have done that, you will be landed on the official website of Ria, where you just have to first log into your account or create your account if you haven't already. After that, you need to click on the button called send money, and then you need to choose the country you want to send money to. Then enter the amount you want to send, and after that choose the payment method. You can choose the payment methods that are available there, and then choose the delivery method as well. After that, you have to enter the recipient's data, and then simply tap on this pay the transfer. And then the last step is you will have to confirm that you want to make the transaction. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to send money with Ria Money Transfer. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.